So today we'll take a look at setting up a multi-cloud infrastructure cluster on Cycle. You can see that I have this demo cluster set up here. I have servers from AWS, GCP, and Vultr. I've done zero additional work to configure any of the networking. That's all fully standardized and automated by the platform. If I want to add a server to that, it's very simple. Go through deploy. Let's just say you're in Chicago, and pick any machine that pops up here. This one, add it to our demo cluster. We can deploy. So you can see immediately that server pops up. It's going to go through the provisioning stage. It's check in, configure, and then report back is online. Once it's online, it's part of the cluster, but we don't have to actually wait for that. We can head over to environments. And so we'll be able to create an environment, or what you might consider a VPC that spans all of the infrastructure in that new cluster we've created. All that demo environment, demo env is fine. Let demo will create. So it's really just as simple as clicking create, and all of that is done. If you've used Cycle before, you'll be familiar with these services. If not, I really suggest getting a full demo so we can dive into those with you. But this is really all that you have to do to connect all of that infrastructure together. If you wanted to deploy a simple container, they do deploy. We'll call it a service. It's stateless. I'm going to force it to go to each of the servers in this cluster. Let's see if we can get a good image here for the demo. Registry. That's this one. Simple. Give it egress. It needs to reach out to something and deploy. I need discovery to be online, so I'm going to deploy all. And great. So it looks like it's already up and running. You can see that we have the Vultr server, the GCP server, and the AWS server with instance deployed to each. Second to connect, and these are going. So that's how simple it can be setting up the infrastructure cluster and creating that environment.